Hello guys, we are from BTD1143 Manufacturing Process Student. Today I will be presenting our meeting about our project for this semester. I'm as a conductor of this meeting, would like to ask Kide what's our topic and what we're gonna do in this project.
Okay. Hey Nazmi, I think how about our group make a pudding container? Imagine in a hot day eating a sweet flavorful dessert and we can carry along everywhere without spill out in a car during vacation or free time. A container that can open and close and store in a box of ice with just the right size of our hand. You would think it is a good idea, Nazmi?
Oh, alright, Kide. I think it's a good idea. Do you have any visual modeling on our project that we can see together?
Okay, so the design as shown in the picture, it have two parts, which is the lid and the cup. For the lid, the dimension of the lid is a circle of 74 diameter with a 72 diameter circle that ensure to make a grip for the lid to the cup and the lid of 8 ounce of the cup. And this is the dimension of the cup. It have 82 height and on top and the bottom with 2 mm of thickness to make sure the container, which is the pudding container, does not spill out from the container. We must make sure the plastic is transparent so that it can be easily sold for the next store market seller, as the pudding have variety color that can attract the customer. Daniel, do you know what is the perfect material for this product?
Yes, I do, and I have some very variety kinds of material that I can expose to you all. So I'm going to talk about the materials. So the first one, I got the high density polyethylene (HDPE). So we all know milk jugs, pipes, plastic bags are frequently made from HDPE. It is a form of plastic and is study enduring and chemical resistant. So it is a good option for many products because it is also reasonably inexpensive to produce. So for the application that we can see from HDPE, we can see it in packaging department, in construction, in automotive industry, in industrial, and also a textile. So for the second material I'm going to talk is a polypropylene, or we call it as a PP. Polypropylene is a type of plastic that is often used to make things like food container, car parts, household items, and it is a lightweight and flexible item and resistant to heat and chemical. It also have a relative cheap to produce, which makes it good choice for many products. So the same application, polypropylene that we can see it is like HDPE. We also can see PP in automotive industry, in packaging department, in medical tools, in stationery and consumer goods. So the third material is polyethylene terephthalate, or we call it as a PET. PET is a type of plastic that often to use making like beverage bottles and clothing fibers. It is strong and lightweight, so it also can be easily shaped and molded into different forms. PET also is resistant to moisture, chemicals, and can be easily recycled. It is widely used material, and you can find it in many everyday products. So the last material that I'm going to talk about is polystyrene, PS. So polystyrene is a type of plastic that often to use to make things like disposable cutlery, foam insultant, and protective packaging. it also has a lightweight and rigid in brittle material, so that is easy to shape and mold. Polystyrene is also a good certain material can be easily colored. So from these varieties materials that I already said, I'm I'm going to use polypropylene for our product. So why it is a polypropylene? Polypropylene has become an indispensable player in the realm of modern material, owing to its versatile nature and a host of advantageous properties. So in an environment where exposure to corrosive substance is concerned, polypropylene shines with its remarkable chemical resistance. It adheres to various chemical, acids, and bases, make it a reliable choice, extending its application from industry to specialized manufacturing. The lightweight nature of polypropylene is crucial in weight-sensitive applications, such, such as automotive components, packaging materials. It it also lightness not only enhance fuel efficiency in transportation, but also contribute to overall environmental sustainability. So polypropylene versatility, chemical resistance, lightweight composition, strength, and economic viability collectively make it a material of a choice across various industries. Its adaptability and enduring relevance in modern manufacturing underscore its pivotal role in shaping the landscape of material of science. So that is the justification why we are using the polypropylene. So Alip, do you know what is the process to make our product happen?
Yes, I do. I think we should do a injection molding process, which is the manufacturing process for the lid and cap. We organize into a structure. We're gonna start by shaping the first shape with molding, and the next thing is we do a precise trimming, careful inspection, edit, and we adding decorative element and careful of about the packaging. And then we might need to do extra step like heat treatment, vacuum metallization, or ultrasonic welding to the lid or the cup, depend on the need. Our dedication for our product to quality is shown by the fact that the most of our product are made using injection molding, which is they are guaranteed that you will always get the high quality lids and cup. That's the structure of process we're gonna do, and this is the process flow diagram. We should do is the molten plastic material is inject into the mold through a sprue with opening at high pressure, and then the material fill the mold cavity. After the cavity is full, it's began to cool and solidify. The mold is mounted on a machine. Is called a injection molding press, which is the press close the mold and apply the pressure to keep it closed during the injection process. And then the plastic material is cooled inside the mold by circulating water and air through a channel in the mold. The cooling time depends on the size of the shape and the part of our product. Once the part has been cooled and solidified, the mold is open and the part will eject. And then we're gonna any excess material is called a flash. We're gonna trim the excess from the part to make sure the part are inspect for defect such as warping, cracking, or inconsistent dimension. We need to consider that our defect product is reject, and we need to do again from early until we get a perfect shape without defect. And that's the flow.
And Nazmi, did you know the advantages and disadvantages of using injection molding?
Yeah, I know there is several pros and cons in this injection molding. The pros is the high production rates, the fast efficient production of large quantity. Next, versatility. The versatility of injection molding makes it ideal mass production for many different types of components from plastic or metal. Uh, Consistent quality. Parts made by injection molding are consistent in form, in size, shape, and quality, guarantee reliability of finishing product. And the last one is cost effective. There is no better or more economical way to make a lot of part than with injection molding. As the quality increase, the cost per part decrease. And the cost of this injection molding is a high initial investment. Making and setup for injection molding equipment be more expensive, so it's not ideal for the low volume or short run manufacturing. The next disadvantage is scrap and waste. The injection molding process result in the loss of some material known as flash, which is the extra material that is removed from the finished product. And next is a long lead time of production delay, that inability to swiftly react to demand change can result from the several weeks or months required to create a new mold. Next, a size limitation. As a larger press and extended cycles time will be necessary for large component, injection molding won't work for all of the part. The last disadvantages are limited to thermoplastic material. The process limited material range is a result of injection molding primarily use the thermoplastic material. Okay, that's all. I like the idea from my groups, and today let's end our meeting and decide on doing pudding container in our project. Do you agree, guys?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. That's all for our meeting.
Thank you.